Here I have VIVO Y91 and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be the list of settings, and let's assume that I would like to save the screen. So all I need to do is use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys. As you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's hold down power key and volume down simultaneously. And here you can also tap long screenshot. Let me tap OK to this tutorial. Let me skip the following tutorial. And now you can tap next right here to scroll down and tap save. You just took the long screenshot. Alright, now let me show you the second way of taking screenshot. Let's just use down bar and here choose as capture. And here you can also use long screenshot. Tap save. And here you can also use other super screenshot features. For example, you can use here the record screen, funny screenshot, or rectangular. Let me use, for example, the rectangular, and here you can just save some part of the screen. Alright, so that's it. Let's here tap save. And now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do something with your pictures, you have to find your screenshot folder. You can do it by using here the albums. Choose here albums and select screenshot. Now you can share, edit, delete, or do something else with your pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.